Okay, we are going to do some lottery now. So who wants to win this Revoltech fight board here? Yeah. I can't hear you. Yeah. Who has the best products for gaming? What company? Who? I can't hear you. Who? Okay, that's good. And who want to win this mouse here? This fight mouse, yeah? Yeah? Okay, I need 5 people here on stage. 5. I can't hear you. Who wants to win this? Who wants to win this? Who? You? Here, he's screaming loud. You? We have 3. Who screams louder than them? You? And 4. Jump up. Who's jumping high? And stream Revoltech. Revoltech. Oh, he's very high. Come up. Come up, you. Okay, I have more prizes. We have more shows all the day and tomorrow, yeah? So everybody can win here. Okay, guys. You ready? Yeah? You want to answer some question or do some exercise? Exercise? Okay, then just get warm and jump up. Just jump up a little bit. And yeah, here's some applause for these guys. Okay, good. Stop it. So now do 20 knee bends. Just go down and do 20. 1, 2, 3. And some applause here for these guys. More applause. More applause. Okay. Now we do push-ups. 100. 100 push-ups, I think that will be fine for this morning here, for this lovely morning at DreamHack. Are you ready for that? 100. Or 1,000 maybe? 1,000? 1,000 push-ups, yeah? Yeah? 1,000? No, we do 20. I think that will be fine. And get down. 1. And you count loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Good. Enough. Get up and make it just relax, yeah, a little bit. Yeah, you still can do this, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we play for a prize now, yeah? Which prize do you want? You want the keyboard or you want Lara? Keyboard. Oh. They want the keyboard. The new Revoltech fight board, yeah? It's a Swedish layout. We have macro keys and fight keys and programmable keys, everything you need. It's better than other keyboards from, I don't know other keyboards. Okay, we do some exercise. Now we do 20 push-ups. You count, no, push-ups. Push-ups, 20. And then when you finish with that, you jump up and do 5 knee bends. Yeah, and you have to count loud in English, please. Yeah? You can do that? I think. Then, on your mark, ready, get up. No early starts here. On your mark, ready, set, go. And you count out. Applause for these guys. Yeah, he's first. He's the winner. Applause for him. Your name is?
Björn.
Björn, where are you from?
Sweden, Norrköping.
Okay, congratulations for him. Your keyboard. Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, we have more prizes, and more competitors here. You play for a mouse or a mouse pad? Or for Lara? You can play for Lara, yeah. No? Okay, then the mouse. We play for the Revoltech Fight Mouse. It's a 2000 DPI mouse with macro keys and adjustable rates and adjustable sensitive. What now? What do you want to do now? You don't know? Setups? Setups? 20 setups and 5 knee bend. Or no, 20 setups and 5 push-ups with one hand. Yeah. No? Yes, yes, they say yes. Okay, I'm Sergeant Wojtek, and what I say you have to do. Okay, you ready? We do 15 setups and 5 push-ups one-handed. That's fine. That's fair, I think. On your mark, ready, set, go. Oh, watch your head. Applause here for these guys. Yeah, here's the first winner. Great, congratulations to you. What's your name?
Willem?
Willem? Yeah. You like it here at DreamHack?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay, applause for Willem. Yeah, that's for you. And for you guys, we stop it now. I think it's enough. We have this good mouse pad for you. It's a special one. Yeah, thank you for joining us here. Okay, applause again for these guys. And we have our next show at 2. Yeah, so come on, join us. We have more prizes from Revoltech for you guys here. Okay? See you at 2. Thank you for coming. But I have some more here. Come back at 2.